please, we want to know your name and tell us where you're from.
Thank you. My name is Ezri Harmusial. I'm representative of ArtKids Foundation,
Okay.
Holland.
Okay.
We come here for the Ohia Stream project
Okay.
of Oweri Kwoji
Okay.
and Umwek.
Yeah. Thank you very much, sir. As it stands, what are the budgets and what are you people looking up to?
I cannot go into budget at the moment because we don't know yet
Okay.
what will be the end result.
Okay.
We just want to open this project and we want people's attention.
Okay. That's good. So, to you, what promises are you giving to the people? You know, they've gathered here believing you that this project is going to be carried on. So, what promises are you giving to them?
The main promise is, it's actually more than a promise, it's a fact.
Okay.
And that is, Ohia Stream is a source of blessing
Okay.
for everybody around here.
Yeah.
And as soon as we welcome her
Okay.
and we allow ourselves to help and put our efforts into Ohia Stream to make it better, she will bring us blessing.
Okay.
Blessing for everybody who drinks from the stream. You will feel it immediately. I've already tasted it.
Okay.
And I feel it. I feel the spirit. It enters you with the water you drink. You will feel happy. And memories will come up from before, from the time when our ancestors, your ancestors were here, swimming, enjoying. So that's my promise, that I will take care and witness that this goes good, righteously, for everybody. And it will become a blessing for everybody here. That's what I promise.
So, as a white, you want to tell me that you also believe in spirit?
I'm half white, half black now. So
Okay.
my mother is a black woman from Indonesia,
Okay.
Igbo.
Wow.
And that's what helped me recognize the spiritual side of nature.
Okay.
I don't only see water, I see a spirit, I see a mother.
Okay.
She takes care of us, she feeds us. Whatever we need, she gives us. She helps everybody grow, even the plants and the animals. So this I recognize.
So to you now, if I'm to say, what are the time? How long is it going to be for you to restore it? How long is it going to take you people to come up there to start up your project?
That's a good question. It all depends on what we want to accomplish here.
Okay.
And first of all, we need to get together as a people. We need to come together, and we have to all see what is there, see the treasure of Ohia Stream, and then discuss together, because we are all equal. I'm no more. Just because I'm a white man, I have no say here. I can only tell you my experience, and I can confirm to you and share you this message that Ohia Stream is a big blessing. We should not neglect it. We should put time and effort in rediscovering her, getting to know her again, and ask her what she wants also. And also we can put mouth on what we want from the stream. And then together we make a good plan, so we can see how much work we will put in there, what time it will take, and what is needed to make this project a success.
Oh, that's good. So you are assuring the people that as far as you are concerned, you're going to take the message back to the company that sent you in order for you to start the project.
I will report everything that is happening here as we record this. I'm the witness, and the people who are watching this are also witness.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. You're highly welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.